how to cut up a whole chicken. So you need to thaw the chicken first. Then I'm gonna remove the plastic. I do not use the skin, so I'm gonna remove. So as you can see, I removed all the skin from the whole chicken. Removed most of the fat and got rid of the tail. So in order to cut it faster, you flip it like that on both sides. Then it's easy to remove. First you want to remove the leg and the thigh. Then this side, we're going to remove this side. Next go for the hand, the wings. It's always good to have a sharpened knife. Now, get to the breast. So remove the breasts first. I save one breast for later use. Okay. Cutting into small pieces. You want to wash this well. I put turmeric powder and salt. That way it will clean better. First, remove the thigh, and at the end part I don't use. Now you can cut it into small pieces. To have a tasty chicken curry, you have to have the whole chicken. So I'm going to keep all the bone. Just like that, you can do the same thing. If the pieces are, try to cut it smaller, That way it will cook faster. Now just cut it through between the breast and the backbone. And there's some more fat. Just want to get rid of that. Okay. Just cut it in the middle. This is the back of the chicken. So the back side is finished. Now front side of the chicken. Excuse me for the noises. Now getting to the breast. I'm only going to use one breast. The other breast is for later use. You know, when you grill chicken or make soup with it, you can use that boneless meat. This is how you cut the whole chicken. That's it. In here I have the wings. I keep the wings for barbecue wings or Korean barbecue or something when I do that. So I'm going to save this breast for later use. I'm going to keep the wings aside too. So with this we're going to make chicken curry.